For lesson 7, you're going to learn how to add video and sound to your web pages. Most people find this to be kind of a fun lesson. And so you're going to read some pages in the book, not a lot of pages because we're basically focusing on the new audio and video tags in HTML5. Then you're going to want to go through the lecture demo. It gives you some background on creating sound files, different sound formats that you can use. There are links to places where you can download sound files from, and then how to link a sound file and how to embed a sound file. Okay, and then this is actually an interactive one that you can play. Don't want that on too loud. Okay, so that's an interactive one, complete with sound that you can control. Okay, so you can play that if you want. And as we go through here, this is the code that was used to create that embedded sound box. And the popular formats on the web for sound are MP3, OGG, and WAV. So this shows you basically how to put that in there. OGG is kind of an open format and it's newer. So I do have information on what OGG is and how to convert like an MP3 to OGG. And really the safest way to do that is to use Cloud Convert. Then I have more on video files. So, what are the differences between the video files, how you link and how you embed, different attributes that you can put in the HTML tag. And then I have a live example. And then this is the code that was used to create that example. Okay, and so also I've got information on how you can tell the dimensions because sometimes you do need to put those in. And then how you would embed your own media using the object tag. And finally, and this is probably what you're most interested in, is how to embed someone else's media using iframe. And this is how you would put YouTube videos into your pages. Okay, so it tells you all about all of that. And then we get into how to add subtitles, caption, and other text to your files. This information is important because it is going to be on your MTA exam. Okay, so make sure you read through all of this. It's all important. And then you can get into working on your textbook assignment. And the textbook assignment focuses on adding the audio and video links and embedded files to a pre-formatted page. So what you're going to need to do is right-click on the zoo page and save the link as. And again, you want to make sure you're in Chrome or Opera or Firefox. Do not use Microsoft Edge or the Internet Explorer. It should tell you that it's zoomultimedia.html. And you're going to obviously want to put this into your Lesson 7 folder. And then there are quite a few graphics that you're going to download. And again, right-clicking, save either link as or target as or image as. The save command is going to vary depending on what browser you're in. And then we've got some sound files that you are going to be downloading. And then you'll add sound links and embedded sound. And then you're going to be downloading several different video files. Okay, and there are YouTube videos that explain how to do all of this. And so you're basically going to be working on one page and you're going to be adding all of the media to that single page. Once you are done, then you're ready to work on your lab assignment. And the lab assignment is you creating your own multimedia page. So I have videos showing you what you need to do. And I have an example. So I did mine on Halloween. Okay. And so you are going to want to set up a page, and the topic can be whatever you want. Okay. Just make sure you work in the requirements that are worth points. Okay. So you have to have at least one embedded sound file. And it needs to be in the three formats that are recognized by the browser. So you need it in these three formats. And that you can actually convert an existing sound file using Cloud Convert. And I have videos that show you how to do all of this. Okay. You also need 3 links to different sound files. You're going to need 3 video links. And these do not need to be to your own videos. They can be to someone else's. If you want to take your own videos, you can certainly do that on your phone. Okay, your phone is going to create MP4 videos. Okay, and then you could email the video to yourself and then use Cloud Convert to convert it to different formats. So when you link, it can be to someone else's video, you can link to YouTube, or you can do your own. You'll also need an embedded video, and if you want to embed a YouTube video, that is fine. You'll have to use iframe for that. And there is a video that shows you how to get the iframe information. You are going to want the text to flow around the embedded and linked video files, so similar to how it's done in the Zoo page. You can either use the traditional box or the flex box layout, depending on whatever one you're more comfortable with. Again, that is totally up to you. And make sure once you're done that you get all those media files uploaded to the web. Then you're going to want to link the Zoo file into your assignment page and your own multimedia file. So this is a pretty fun assignment. Students have really enjoyed it. The only problems people have encountered is that their media files don't get uploaded. That's been the primary issue that people have had. Once you're done with the assignment, there is an exam. There's 46 true, false, multiple choice, selection, ordering, multiple answer questions, a variety of question types, because that's what you're going to see on your certification exam. So I'm trying to prepare you for that test. So you're not going to see just straight true, false, and multiple choice. The questions are worth 1 to 2 points each. It is open book, open note, and there is no time limit on this exam. Okay, you just need to make sure you submit it before the test is due, and it is not due until March 1st, 11:59 p.m. Okay, so if you have any questions, you run into problems, let me know. I am happy to help.